Hi students, good morning. How are you? Now, continuation of bridge course organic chemistry. How is organic chemistry? Very interest, nice subject. Okay. Are you writing notes? Okay. Anyone pending is there? Compulsory first pending work first finish. After that start remaining concepts. Okay. Compulsory thoroughly prepare previous lessons bridge course all points. Okay. After 1 week I will start lessons bridge course organic chemistry 1 week required. After that next week means after 6 days. After 6 days I will start lessons. So intermediate lessons. Okay. So yesterday I will explain organic chemistry hydrocarbons. The compounds of carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, so simple classification two types: acyclic hydrocarbons, cyclic hydrocarbons. Acyclic hydrocarbons another name is open chain compounds. Open chain compounds. In open chain compounds, these are two types: unsaturated and saturated. Saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon triple bond. Carbon-carbon double bonded unsaturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. Carbon-carbon triple bonded unsaturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. Yesterday alkanes explained. Alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, in alkanes central atom carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. In alkanes carbon-carbon bond length. In alkanes carbon-carbon bond length is 1.54 angstrom units. 1.54 angstrom units or 154 picometers. Both are equal. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 100 picometers. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 100 picometers. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 100 picometers. So anyone okay? Bond length and bond angle. Hybridization, sp3 hybridization, shape tetrahedral. Okay. Now example, methane molecule. Methane. Alkanes are another name is paraffins. Paraffin means little affinity. So now I am taking methane structure. Simple methane structure. Here carbon is there. Here carbon. CH4 like that. So CH4. So these are hydrogen. So these are hydrogen. So these are hydrogen. So these are hydrogen. Best example CH4. Example 1, methane molecule. So another example 2, ethane. Example 1 and example 2, ethane. Example 2, ethane. Ethane formula C2H6. C2H6. So ethane. So these are orbital structure. Simple structure like that. Methane simple structure like that. Here carbon, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen like that. Here bond angle how much? 109 degrees 28 minutes. Here bond angle, so simply 109 degrees 28 minutes. So these are bond angle. Next, second structure ethane. Ethane means like that. C2H6. Here carbon. Here sigma 1. Here hydrogen. Here hydrogen. Here hydrogen. Here hydrogen. Here hydrogen. Two tetrahedral units are joined. Simply, these are one tetrahedral unit like that. Tetrahedral units. Here like that. Simply ethane molecule. So these are central atom carbon. Central atom carbon is carbon. Simple structure. CH6 like that. H, H, H like that. So they are ethane. So alkanes. Alkane central atom carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. Bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. Shape tetrahedral molecule. Okay. Next, so these are ethane molecule. Ethane molecule. Important point out. Number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds in alkanes. Number of sigma bonds in alkanes equal to formula 3n plus 1. Number of sigma bonds in alkane 3n plus 1. Here n equal to number of carbon atoms. N equal to number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. For example, I am taking methane. Methane action structure, simple structure, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. One supply formula, simply 3n plus 1. 3 into 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So that is correct. I am taking another example to ethane. Ethane formula CH6. Actually ethane contain these are hydrogens. These are hydrogens. Hydrogens. Total how many bonds? 7 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I will verify. Apply formula. 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Anyway, number of sigma bonds in alkanes equal to formula 3n plus 1. Number of sigma bonds. Calculation of sigma bonds in alkanes formula 3n plus 1. Here n equal to number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. So these are example 2. Now I am taking another example. Last third example. Propane. Propane formula C3H8. That name is propane. Propane. Like that C3H8. This formula. Here hydrogens will be. Here hydrogens will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Apply formula 3 into 3 plus 1. That means 9 plus 1. 10 sigma bond. 10 sigma bonds. Okay. Number of sigma bonds in alkanes formula 3n plus 1. Number of sigma bonds in alkanes formula 3n plus 1. Here n equal to number of carbon atoms. Okay. First alkane methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. You know formulas. Methane, ethane. First compound methane. Second ethane, propane, butane. You know names. First compound alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. So second one is alkenes. Alkenes having carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bonded. Carbon-carbon double bonded unsaturated hydrocarbons are called alkenes. Alkenes are another name is olefins. Olefins means that oil forming. So oil forming. Olefin means oil forming. Alkenes are another name is olefins. In alkene general formula CnH2n. CnH2n. In alkenes carbon-carbon bond length is carbon-carbon bond length. In alkene carbon-carbon bond length is 1.34 angstrom units. 1.34 angstrom units. But alkenes contain 1 pi bond. Alkenes contain 1 pi bond. Alkenes contain 1 pi bond. Next, bond length. In alkene central atom carbon undergo which type hybridization? sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. In alkene central atom carbon undergo sp2 hybridization. Shape trigonal planar. Trigonal. Simply trigonal planar or plane triangle. Simply trigonal planar sp2 hybridization. Here bond angle is, so here bond angle is 120 degrees. Bond angle 120 degrees. So these are alkene. First simplest alkene is ethene. Simplest alkene is ethene. First alkene is ethene. And the second one is propene. Propene. Third one is butene. Next fourth one is pentene. So ethene formula C2H4 and C3H6, C4H8, C5H10 like that. Pentane, hexane, heptane. Okay, one carbon means meth, two carbon meth. So in alkenes, alkenes are found with minimum number of carbon atoms 2 because double bond means compulsory 2 carbon atoms required. First alkene, simplest alkene ethene. Common name is ethylene. Common name is ethylene, IUPAC name is ethane. Alkenes. Now I am giving structure of ethene. Structure of ethene. Structure of ethene. Another name is ethylene. Ethylene common name, ethane IUPAC name. Ethylene simple structure CH2 double bond CH2, actually carbon carbon double bond. Here hydrogen. So like that. Actually these are. Okay, in this structure, one see here carbon, two hydrogens, C2H4. C2H4. So these are pi bond. So these are hydrogens. Yeah, sigma 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sigma bonds? Here 5 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. Ethylene molecule contain 5 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. Among 5 sigma bonds, 4 sigma bonds carbon hydrogen, 1 sigma bond carbon. But 1 pi bond always between carbon and carbon. Pi bond always formed between 2 p orbitals. Pi bond exists between 2 p orbitals. Pi bond always formed between 2 p orbitals. So ethylene molecule contain 5 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. Among 5 sigma bonds, 4 sigma bonds carbon and hydrogen, 1 sigma bond between carbon and carbon. Ethylene or ethene molecule, trigonal planar. So ethylene formula C2H4. Okay, so ethylene molecule contain double bond. Double bond means 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. It is a structure of ethylene. Ethylene common name, IUPAC name is ethene. So these are alkenes. So in alkenes, central atom carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization. Bond angle 120 degrees. Shape of the molecule is trigonal planar or plane triangle also. Carbon bond length is 1.34 angstrom units. Okay, so these are alkenes. Alkenes are known as, another name is olefins. Olefin means oil forming. Simplest alkene, ethylene. Ethylene formula C2H4. Okay, so these are alkene. Number of sigma bond, but any alkene contain only 1 pi bond. Okay, number of sigma bonds in alkenes is 3n minus 1. Here n equal to number of carbon atoms. Okay, for example, already completed C2H4. I am taking C2H4 means like that. Here hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sigma bonds. One supply formula 3 into 2 minus 1, 6 minus 1, that means 5. Correct. Number of sigma bonds in alkenes 3n. Number of sigma bonds in alkene 3n minus 1 formula 3n minus 1. Here n equal to number of carbon atoms. Example C2H4. CTH work contain how many sigma bonds? 5 sigma bonds. 3 into 2 minus 1. 3 into 2 6. 6 minus 1 5. Okay. It is a alkene. Now I am taking another example. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Propene. C3H6. Actual structure. One carbon and double bond. One carbon double bond means here. Here propane structure. We will keep double bond here or here. Anyone okay? Okay. Like that apply formula. 3n plus 3n minus 1. 3 into 3 minus 1. 9 minus 1 8. 8 sigma bonds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that correct. How many sigma bonds? 8 sigma bonds. Ethylene. So propene contain how many sigma bonds? 8 sigma bonds. 8 sigma bonds. 8 sigma bonds. Okay. So these are propane. 8 sigma bond. It is a propane. Okay. So these are all alkenes. Alkenes containing double bond. Alkenes are known as olefins. Olefin means oil forming. Next, third one is alkanes. Alkane general formula CnH2n minus 2. Alkane means carbon carbon. Carbon carbon triple bonded hydrocarbons are called carbon carbon triple bonded unsaturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. Alkane general formula CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. Okay. General alkanes having triple bond. Triple bond means one sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. Okay. In alkane simple. So simple alkane. Simple alkane is C2H2. That mean name is ethane. Ethane IUPAC name. Common name is. So common name is acetylene. Common name is acetylene. Ethane. So it is a ethane. Ethane formula C2H2. Common name is acetylene. Okay. In alkanes, central atom carbon undergoes sp hybridization. sp hybridization means bond angle 180 degree, shape linear. In alkanes, central atom carbon undergoes sp hybridization. So bond angle 180 degrees, shape linear. In alkanes, carbon carbon bond length is 1.20 angstrom units. 1.20 angstrom units. So it is a alkanes. Best example, now I am giving structure of ethane. Ethane formula C2H2. Common name is acetylene. So acetylene structure C2H2. Simply HC triple bond CH. So simple I am giving structure here carbon. Okay. C2H2 structure. Acetylene structure C2H2. Okay, here carbon bond. So these are sigma bond. So here hydrogen. Here also hydrogen. Next. Okay, here pi bond. Here another pi bond. So here another pi bonds. So anyway, 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bond. 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bond. 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. Among 3 sigma bonds, so 1 sigma bond carbon and carbon, 2 sigma bonds carbon and carbon. carbon and hydrogen. 2 pi bonds always between carbon and carbon. Anyway, acetylene molecule contain 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bond. Acetylene molecule contain 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. 3 sigma bond means 1 sigma bond between carbon and carbon. 1 sigma bond between carbon and carbon. 2 sigma bonds carbon and hydrogen. Acetylene molecule shape. Okay. So acetylene. Alkanes contain 1 triple bond. 1 triple bond means 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. It is a alkanes. Next another one is number of sigma bonds in alkanes. How can I calculate the number of sigma bonds in alkanes? So acetylene. Acetylene common name. IUPAC name is ethane. Okay. Number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds in alkanes. Number of sigma bonds in alkane equal to 3n minus 3. 3n minus 3. Here n equal to number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. For example, say example I am taking ethane CH2. Simply HC triple bond CH. How many sigma bonds? Triple bond means 1 sigma bond, 2 pi bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds. Simply apply formula. 3 into 1 minus 3. Sorry. 3n plus 1, 3n minus. Three sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds in alkane 3n plus 1, 3n minus 1. Acetylene, sorry, 3n minus 3. Acetylene how many carbons? 2 carbons. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So no correct. Correct. Number of sigma bonds in alkane formula 3n minus 3. Here n equal to number of carbon atoms. So here 2 is there. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So it is example 1. I am taking another example. Propane. Example 2. Example 2 propane. Propane formula C3H4. How can I write the structure? 3 carbons. 1 carbon having triple bond. Carbon valence 4. Here okay. Here carbon satisfied. Here how many hydrogens here? So how many sigma bond? Triple bond means 1 sigma bond, 2 pi bond. 1 sigma bond. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sigma bonds under 2 pi bonds. 6 sigma bond. So 6. How can I calculate it? Formula 3n minus 3. That means 3 into 3 minus 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 minus 3, that means 6 sigma bonds. Pi bond formula not there because any alkane contain how many pi bonds? 2 pi bonds. Any alkane contain 2 pi bonds. That is a fixed. Sigma bond not fixed. So number of pi bonds in alkanes 3n minus 3. 3 into 3 minus 3. 9 minus 3, that means 6. Okay. So number of sigma bond calculation in alkanes, alkenes, alkane. So these are information of hydrocarbons. Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are 2 types, alkenes and alkynes. Carbon-carbon double bonded unsaturated hydrocarbons are called alkenes. Carbon-carbon triple bonded unsaturated hydrocarbons are called alkynes. Okay, these are alkenes, alkenes, alkynes. Next another one is sp3 carbon, sp2 carbon and sp carbon. sp3 carbon, sp2 carbon and sp carbon. sp3 carbon means carbon atom attached to all single bonds. Carbon atom surrounded by all single bond. Carbon atom attached to all are single bond, that carbon is considered as, or the carbon is termed. The carbon is termed sp3 carbon. Example here is there. So they are sp3 carbon. Here also sp3 carbon. How many sp3 carbons? Here one sp3 carbon is there. Here how many sp3 carbons? So two sp3 carbons. sp2 carbon, carbon atom attached to double bond. Here sp3 carbon. So these are sp3 carbon. Here also sp3. So here also sp3. sp2 carbon, carbon atom attached to, here is there. That carbon is considered as a sp2 carbon. That carbon is considered as a sp2 carbon. sp carbon, carbon atom attached to triple bond. That carbon is considered as a sp carbon. Carbon atom attached to triple bond. That carbon is termed. The carbon is termed sp carbon. Carbon atom attached to double bond. The carbon atom is termed sp2 carbon. Carbon atom attached to all single bond. That carbon is considered. The carbon is termed sp3 carbon. So sp3 carbon, sp2 carbon, and the last sp carbon. So next important point, very important. Okay, carbon atom attached to all single bond. That carbon is known as sp3 carbon. Carbon atom attached to double bond. That carbon is known as sp2 carbon. The carbon atom attached to triple bond. That carbon is known as sp carbon. sp3, sp2, and sp. So next, carbon atom attached to, here is there. Carbon atom attached to both side double bond. That carbon is considered as a sp carbon. Only carbon atom attached to double bond means sp2. Carbon atom attached to both side double bonds. Both side double bond, that carbon is known as sp carbon. But in this structure, these are sp2 carbon. In this structure, sp2 carbon. Carbon atom attached to both side double bond. Carbon atom attached to both side double bond. That carbon is known as sp carbon. The carbon is known as sp carbon. Anyway, sp2, sp3, sp. Okay. So don't forget. So remembering this formula. Remembering this concept. Carbon atom attached to both side double bond, that carbon is known as sp carbon. So for example 1, CH3, CH double bond, CH. Here carbon sp3, here carbon sp2. Here carbon sp2, here carbon sp2, here carbon sp2. Only these are sp3 carbon. Why? Carbon atom attached to all are single bonds. sp2 double bond, here carbon double bond, here carbon double bond, here carbon. Simply this structure. Now I am writing here. Here down I am writing CH3, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond. Okay. Here sp3, carbon atom attached to all are single bond. Carbon atom attached to double bond, that is a sp2. Carbon atom here also attached to double bond, sp2. Carbon atom attached to double bond, it is also sp2. Carbon atom attached to double bond, that is a sp2. Okay. In this structure, number of sp3 carbons 1, number of sp2 carbons 4. So in this structure, so here number of sp3 carbons and number of sp2 carbons. Number of sp3 carbons 1, number of sp2 carbons 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is types of carbon atom. sp3 carbon, sp2 carbon, and sp carbon atom. sp carbon atom. Okay. Next another one. Now I am taking example 2. Suppose CH3, CH double bond. Here number of sp3 carbons, number of sp carbons, number of sp3 carbon atoms, number of sp2 carbon atoms, number of sp carbon atoms. Here generally single bond means sp3. Here sp2. Here sp2. Number of sp3 carbon atoms 1. sp2 2. So these are 0. Here carbon all are single bond means these are sp3. Here sp2. Here also sp2. Here one sp3 carbon atom, two sp2 carbon atoms 0. No sp carbon atom. These are different types of sp3, sp2, sp carbon atoms. So students, these points enough. So remaining points next class I will start. Okay, these are types of carbon atoms. Okay, thank you students, thank you. Remaining concept next. Okay, thank you for all.